Namaskar to all of you. We are doing Polynomials second chapter of class 10th NCERT book. Today we will solve problems of exercise 2.4 based on division algorithm for polynomial. Our problem is, if two zeros of the polynomial x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3, then find other zeros. Given polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic means variables highest power is 4. Highest power 4 is डिग्री 4. पोलिनोमियल की डिग्री 4 है, सो इट इज बाई क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल. एंड सिंस डिग्री 4, सो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरोज मस्ट बी 4. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरो इज इक्वल टू 4. 2 zeros are given. It means we have to find other 2 zeros. We have to find other 2 zeros. For that, we will make factor with the help of this 0. If 0 is equal to minus 6, then factor always x minus 0. 0 means given zeros. X minus minus 6 is equal to x plus 6. Similarly, our zeros are, let's start our solution. Given 2 zeros are 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3. So, factors will be equal to x minus 2 plus under root 3, x minus 2 minus under root 3. Means x minus 0, first 0, and x minus second 0. These are our factors. So we can write it x minus 2 minus under root 3 and it equal to x minus 2 plus under root 3. So x minus 2 minus under root 3 multiply by x minus 2 plus under root 3 will be a factor. Yes. And when we look carefully, then we get it is equal to a minus b and a plus b. A is x minus 2, b. A and b is equal to under root 3. You can see it implies x minus 2 whole square minus under root 3 whole square will be a factor. We can open it using identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is x square plus b 2 square 4 minus 2 into a into b minus under root 3 whole square equal to 3. Because जब हम स्क्वायर रूट के किसी भी नंबर को खुद से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो स्क्वायर रूट हट जाता है, ओनली नंबर रिमेन्स. you can take any example. For example, under root 7 into under root 7 will be equal to only 7. स्क्वायर रूट में जब हम एक नंबर को स्वयं से खुद से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो स्क्वायर रूट हट जाता है, ओनली नंबर रिमेन्स. सो स्क्वायर रूट 3 का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 माइनस 2 2 जा 4, 4x minus 3. We can write it x square minus 4x plus 1 means standard form, descending in powers or powers in descending order. Now we can write it x square minus 4x plus 1 because in standard form, powers in descending order. So this is our factor. Now let's learn second method to find out factor in this problem only. If we take x is equal to, zeros are 2 plus minus under root 3. So we can write x minus 2 is equal to plus minus under root 3, squaring both sides. And again in left hand side a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square 2 square minus 2 into a into b is equal to plus minus under root 3 whole square. You know plus under root 3 whole square is equal to 3. And minus under root 3 whole square is equal to minus under root 3 into minus under root 3. Now when we will solve it, when we multiply under root 3 by under root 3, we get 3. Square root removes and minus multiply minus becomes positive. So we get 3 in both cases. It implies x square plus 4 minus 4x minus 3. So is equal to 0. It implies x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 and it is our factor. Again powers in descending order, standard form. So in both method we got x square minus 4x plus 1 our factor. Now we will divide given polynomial by factor so that we can get another factor. So for quotient first term, dividend first term divide by divisor first term. We will get x square and that is our first term in quotient, x square. Now we will multiply this x square quotient term and divisor. So x square minus 4x plus 1, x4 x की power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. We will write below the like terms and plus x square. So in subtraction sign changes, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Same values, different sign, so cancel out. Minus 6 x cube plus 4 x cube. Like terms x cube and their difference in addition. Again minus 26 minus 1. So minus 27 x square, and remaining term will also come down, minus 35. Now again, highest power of dividend divide by highest power of divisor. Minus 2x cube divide by x square. We get minus 2x. So second term in quotient is minus 2x. And multiply minus 2x and divisor. We get 2 minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. Again sign changes during subtraction, minus and plus. Now both will be cancelled out. Minus 27 minus 8. X square, so like terms, x square as it is. Minus 27 minus 8 will become minus 35 x square. X like term here, plus 138 plus 2 plus 140 minus 35 as it is. Now dividends first term or highest power term is minus 35 x square, again divided by x square, divisors first term, highest power term, minus 35. So again multiply minus 35 and divisor. So minus 35 x square plus 140x minus 35. Sign changes and we got remainder 0. Hence we get another factor. Now to find out other zeros, we will equate our factor to 0. So now we will split middle term, and middle term को इस तरह से split करेंगे कि sum minus 2 and product minus 35. देखिए 35 के फैक्टर्स 1, 5, 7, 35. इन फैक्टर्स में कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन हो, किस तरह से हम पेयर बनाएं कि उनका सम माइनस 2 हो और प्रोडक्ट 35. तो ये कंफर्म है कि पेयर विल बी 5 and 7. नाउ प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट 35, so one of them must be negative. Sum is equal to minus 2, so negative with bigger number. Sum is equal to minus 2 and product is equal to 35. So this pair satisfying our condition. So at the place of minus 2, we will write minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 equal to 0. We can take x common from both terms. X minus 7 will be inside, plus 5 common, x minus 7 inside, in bracket equal to 0. It implies x plus 5, x minus 7 equal to 0. Either x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0. It implies that x is equal to minus 5 and 7 are other two zeros. I think you got it. If you have any doubt, then please ask in comment box. Next problem is, if the polynomial x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out be x plus a. Find k and a. So as requirement of question, we will divide given polynomial by x square minus 2x plus k. Then we check what will be our remainder. because in problem remainder is x plus a. So as method of division we will find first term in quotient, and for that highest power term in dividend divided by highest power term in divisor. So we get x square. This is our first term in quotient. So x raised to power 4x. So x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square. So subtract and down term sign change. Since these have same values but different sign, so cancel out. Minus 6 plus 2, sign of bigger number and their difference, x cube, plus 16 minus k, plus 16 minus k x square, minus 25x plus 10. For second term in quotient, again minus 4x cube divided by x square, we get minus 4x, and we will multiply minus 4x and divisor. So we get minus 4x multiply x square, minus 4x cube, minus 2x minus 4x, plus 8x square, minus 4x multiply k, minus 4kx, minus 4kx under the same variable, means below the like terms, under the like terms. So again for subtraction we will change the sign. Same numerical value but different sign. It is negative, it's positive. 16 minus k minus 8 x square, minus 25 plus 4k, and it is 25x plus 4k x plus 10. It will be equal to 8 minus k x square, 16 minus 8, 8 minus k, and x square as it is, minus 25, we can write plus 4kx minus 25x plus 10. So now for third term in quotient, again highest power term is 8 minus k x square divided by x square. So we get 8 minus k. So this will be third term in our quotient, 8 minus k. Again multiply 8 minus k x square minus 2x multiply by 8 minus k. So it will be equal to minus 16x plus 2kx below the like terms. So here minus 16x and plus 2kx. 8 minus k multiply by k, that will be constant term, and we can write below 10 or separately. Now 8 minus k multiply by k. So we get plus 8k minus k square. Now look carefully that it is constant term. So we are writing below the constant term. Again subtraction, sign changes. It becomes negative, negative, positive, negative, positive. Means plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Again same values, so cancel out. plus 4k minus 2k. It will be plus 2kx minus 25x plus 16x. So sign of bigger number and their difference. So 9x plus 10 minus 8k minus k square plus k square minus 8k plus k square. Now it is our remainder because here power of variable is 1 and in divisor power of variable is 2. So since degree of Rx is less than degree of Gx, so it is our remainder. So remainder Rx is equal to 2k minus 9x plus k square minus 8k प्लस 10. हमने यहां से x कॉमन ले लिया और इन टर्म्स को डिसेंडिंग पावर्स ऑफ की फॉर्म में देखिए हमने यहां से x कॉमन ले लिया. सो 2k minus 9 in bracket and then we write constant term in descending power order. हमने यहां से x कॉमन लिया. सो 2k minus 9 x आउटसाइड और फिर इन टर्म्स को हमने पावर्स के डिसेंडिंग फॉर्म में लिख दिया, मीन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. एंड दिस इज आवर Rx रिमाइंडर एंड गिवन रिमाइंडर इज in problem given remainder is equal to x plus a, where a is a constant, x also in our remainder x. So now we will comparing coefficient of x, comparing coefficient of x. In given remainder coefficient of x is 1. Given remainder coefficient of x is equal to 1 and here coefficient of x is 2k minus 9. So 2k minus 9 is equal to 1. Given remainder and after division we got remainder. So it implies that 2k is equal to 1 plus 9. 2k is equal to 10 and k is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Also, when we compare constant term in both remainders, then we get a is equal to k square minus 8k plus 10. Comparing constant term, we get a is equal to k square minus 8k plus 10. So comparing constant term, we get a is equal to k square minus 8k plus 10. And when we compare coefficient of x in our remainder and given remainder, so putting value of k to find out a, 5 square minus 8 into 5 plus 10. 5 square 5 into 5 means 25 minus 40 plus 10. Adding positive terms, we get 35 minus 40 is equal to minus 5. Hence, a is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 5. This is your required answer. If you really getting, then please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.